Hello, this video will talk about the Krebs cycle. Krebs cycle is also known as the tribosylic acid cycle and biochemical pathway that is used to generate energy to the oxidation of acetyl-CoA. It is also used for the synthesis of nicotinamide, adenine dinucleotide hydrogen, and for the production of amino acid. Krebs cycle takes place in mitochondria of eukaryotes and the cytosol of the prokaryotes. The first step involved is actually a preparation step. It begins with the pyruvate. So, pyruvate derives through the glycolysis, which is 6 carbon, and it is split into two molecules of pyruvate, which is 3 carbon compound. Six carbon compound, two split into two glycos, and the three carbon compound in pyruvate. So the next steps, the oxidation of pyruvate into acetyl-CoA. Acetyl-CoA by the enzyme pyruvate dehydrogenase complex, and in this reaction of a molecules of carbon dioxide. So the pyruvate hydrogenase and the carbon dioxide. So carbon dioxide and the molecules of carbon nicotinamide, adenine, and dinucleotide hydrogen is generated. So the acetyl is 2 carbon compound. The acetyl-CoA combines with oxygen as it 8 oxaloacetate. Which is the 4 carbon compounds form citrate synthesis. To form citrate, and hence the resulting molecules is a 6 carbon compound. The citrate has a 6 carbon compound. This reaction is catalyzed by the enzyme citrate synthase in the next steps is summarized into isocitrate by the enzyme isocitrate is the isocitrate. The isocitrate is oxidized into carbon. So, carbon alpha ketoglutarate. Ketoglutarate. By the enzyme associate dehydrogenase, and in this reaction of molecules of NAD. So by the enzyme associate dehydrogen and this reaction molecules of nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide is reduced to nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide hydrogen. NADH. So it reduced to NADH. So, and a molecules of carbon dioxide is generated, hence the alpha ketoglutarate is the 5, we have a 5 carbon. 5 carbon. So, carbon dioxide is generated, and since one molecules of carbon is lost into carbon dioxide. The next stage, the alpha ketoglutarate is converted into succinyl-CoA. Succinyl-CoA, we have alpha ketoglutarate by the enzyme alpha ketoglutarate hydrogen, and the reaction also as molecules of NAD is reduced to NHDA. This one. Then a molecule carbon dioxide is released here, hence the 16 alpha ketoglutarate, and this is a 4 carbon compound.
Baka kita mo.
Succinyl-CoA is converted into succinate by the enzyme of succinylase in the reaction of molecules of the GTP is generated. So succinate is converted into fumarate. Hindi siya kasya. Fumarate. Succinate is converted into fumarate by the enzyme of succinate hydrogenase in the reaction of molecules of QH2. QH2 is the dehydrogen Succinate is converted to fumarate by the enzyme of succinate dehydrogenase. Succinate dehydrogenase, and this reaction of a molecule of abiquinol is generated, which is the QH2. which is used for the production of FADH, the flavin adenine dinucleotide. FADH2. So the fumarate is converted to malate. So by the enzyme of the race, the last states that malate is converted into oxaloacetate. So oxaloacetate by the enzyme malate hydrogenase, and this reaction also, and NADE is reduced to NADH. By the enzyme of succinate dehydrogenase, succinate dehydrogenase, and this reaction of a molecule of ubiquinol is generated, which is the QH2, which is used for the production of FADH, the flavin adenine dinucleotide. FADH2. So the fumarate is converted to malate. So by the enzyme of the race, the last states that malate is converted into oxaloacetate. So oxaloacetate by the enzyme malate hydrogenase, and this reaction also, and NADE is reduced to NAD.